Hi guys, just a quick lesson on the area of a triangle. So we're still on our trigonometry chapter. So the area of a non-right angle triangle, so we should know that the area of a right angle triangle is half the base times the height. And that's the area of a non-right angle triangle, but now, sorry, the area of a right angle triangle where the height is the perpendicular height. Okay, so that's when you have a right angle triangle, but when you're given a non-right angle triangle, these are the formulas that we're going to use in this section here. Okay, so the area of a non-right angle triangle is half AB sine C, half BC sine A, or half CA sine B. So what you need to remember is that it's always the angle formed by the sides, so it's the included angle. So if I was talking about sides A and C, I'll be referring to angle B. Okay, if I was talking about sides B and A, I'd be referring to angle C. So it must be the side between, the angle between the two sides. So straight away, looking at this example here, find the area of the triangle PQR. And I'm actually given the three angles, so I need to be careful with that because I only need one angle for my formula and I need to decide which one it is. Okay, so our formula tells us that we need to do the area of a triangle is half A B sine C, where C is the included angle. Okay, so it must be the included angle. Okay, so if I look at my diagram, I have two sides. I'm given 8 centimeters and 7 centimeters. So their angle between them is this 64. So that's the angle that I'm going to use for my C. Okay, so straight away I can rewrite it. A area of the triangle is equal to half A, so my first side can be 8, times B, my second side can be 7, times the sine of their included angle, which is 64 degrees. If you're going to make a mistake on this formula, it's going to be that you take the wrong angle, so please ensure it's the included angle. Okay, and then I can say that the area of the triangle, I can just put that into my calculator, so a half times 8 times 7 times sine 64, and I end up with 25.166233, and if I wanted to round that to the nearest whole number, there is no explicit request in the question, so you can just choose whatever you want to round it to. So I'm going to round it to the nearest whole number, so I'm going to say 27 centimeters squared. So actually, instead of saying equals, I can say approximately 27 centimeters squared to the nearest whole number. Okay. So the area of a triangle can come up in a variety of different questions. So for this question here, find the area of the triangle AOB when the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. So again, we can see our triangle, it's pretty obvious, but we're not given all our information on the triangle, so we have to fill that information in from the information given above. Okay, so the radius of the circle is the key information. So if the radius of the circle A and O, we're assuming our radiuses. Okay, so then I can say that AO is going to be 4 centimeters, and I can say that OB is going to be 4 centimeters. Okay, the question probably should have mentioned that O was a centre, but we're just going to assume that anyway. Okay, and then I'm going to look at writing out my formula. So my formula is the area of a triangle is equal to half A B sine C, and again remember that your C has to be your included angle. So the area of the triangle, my two sides that I know are 4 and 4, so 4 is my A and B is my 4 also, and then their included angle is going to be this one here at AOB. Okay, so it's the 122, so I'm going to do sine of 122 degrees, and when I took that in my calculator I get 6.784384769. Okay, again it doesn't have any explicit number that you need to round it to, so I'm going to round it to the nearest whole number and say that it's approximately 7 centimeters squared to the nearest whole number. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty much all you need to know. You just need to be able to recognize the triangles from the problem solving questions. So in this one, the diagram was even given to you. The diagram might not be given to you. You might have to work all that out. So you just need to be able to pull out your formula and remember your included angle. Okay, best of luck.